Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a hatch flick bounce, or more accurately, version 2 of the hatch flick bounce, because we've shown you one version of a hatch flick bounce already. This is another one. Knowing how to do a hatch flick already would be really useful. Knowing how to do a simple bounce like a lady spin bounce would be a good idea, so I'll put links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them. But getting to the move, jumping straight in, looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard hatch flick, so right to right, semicircle back, off the hand behind the back, we come in across the chest, lady takes hold behind the back, sending the lady out with the right but holding onto her with the left. We go click, guys heading over to the right, flick to the left to get the spin, guys turn to the left, have the right hand ready as the lady comes around. You're going to collect that hand but bring the lady to a gentle stop and take her past, facing back towards where the guy's standing, so we overturn a little bit. Then we send the lady into a turn direction spin. Guys, again, we turn left, but we back up once we get part way round to get out of the lady's line, catching left to right, giving the lady a little push back so it's easier to bring her forwards into a travelling return. Let's do it again from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go semicircle back and offer 1, across the chest 2, click 3, spin 4, block 5, spin 6, catch 7, travelling return 8, and back 1. So let's try it together. Here we go. Right to right. 5, 6, a hatch flick bounce. It's offer. In, click, spin, block, bounce, catch, over, and out. And that is the whole thing. Hope you enjoyed that. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end in the last few seconds of the video. One of the windows will be a music video connection. So it will take you to something that would be good to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.